This is the elevator at Penn West Park, 2803 Fruitville Road in Sarasota, Florida. This is building 2 of a 3-building complex. That's a Dover Impulse. We're gonna go up to 2. Quick startup. Didn't hear the chime. That's okay, we're gonna go back down. I'm gonna go for one more ride. Go to 1. Here's your emergency phone. Your certificate, which expired in 2022. 2,500 pound capacity on this one. Here's a look up the shaft. We're gonna go check out the 3rd building. And this is 2805 Fruitville Road. This one has the lantern facing the opposite direction. Doors aren't shutting. There we go. This one takes a while to level. Let's go to 1. Also a 2022 expiration date certificate. Door closed does not work. Here's your emergency phone. So we're just gonna take the 1 ride, but we are gonna watch this elevator go up. Got this nice courtyard here. Oh, and the machine room's right over there. Here's your view of your piston and the pit down there, which you can't really see that much of. Right over there, something says Dover. And we're gonna end the video here. That'll be it.